Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Today I'm going to show you a lazy way of making chicken parm with penne noodles all in one pan. I have one celery stalk that I diced, a half an onion that I diced, and one garlic clove that I diced. I also have a pint of chicken, which is 2 chicken breasts that I diced up in here, and 1 pound 16 ounces of the penne noodles. So now I'll place this all in my frying pan. I have a little bit of olive oil in there. Once I saute these, then I'll drain my chicken, dice it up a little bit smaller, and then add it to the frying pan. So I added the onion and celery first. I'll get this going and then I'll add in the garlic clove. I have my burner on medium. The celery, the onion, and the garlic I'm going to add into my sauce. I like to use crushed tomatoes. This is a 28-ounce can. And just add in 1 tomato sauce. It's 15 ounces. I'll mix that together. Then add in some spices along with the celery and onion and garlic. Now I'll add in my garlic. So I have my celery, my onion, and my garlic. I place the sauce in my saucepan. Now I'll add some spices. Now I'll turn my burner off. I'll place this mixture into my sauce before I add my spices. I got the celery, the onion, and the garlic, and I have 1 teaspoon of parsley flake. I'll add some salt and pepper. So I added the salt, the pepper. I'll add in 2 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese. That's 1. That's 2. So now I'll mix this all in. I'll also add in a teaspoon of oregano. Mix that in. Now I'll go drain my chicken and dice that up. I have my 9x13 casserole dish. Now I'll cook my penne noodles according to the directions on the box. My sauce is hot. My penne noodles are cooked. So what I'm going to do now is place some sauce in my 9x13 baking pan. coat the bottom. Now I'll take my drained noodles, now I'll add more sauce. You can see the chicken chunks in there. Mix the sauce around. I have my oven on 275 because everything's already cooked, so I just want to melt the cheese. That looks good. Now I'll get my mozzarella cheese. This was a cup of mozzarella cheese, and what I'm going to do is mix it into the pasta noodles. Now I'll place some more sauce on top. I'm spreading the sauce around. Now I'll sprinkle some more mozzarella on top, place it in my oven on 275 until the cheese is melted. You can put as much cheese as you'd like on top. I'll sprinkle some more parsley flakes on top. Place some aluminum foil on top. And place this in your oven until the cheese is melted, and then your lazy chicken parm with penne noodles is done. Now I'll put some in a plate. And this is what I call my lazy chicken parm with penne noodles. Wow, look at that cheese. Now I'll give it a try. It's really good. Quick and easy too. Thanks so much for tuning into another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking and watch me make lazy chicken parm with penne noodles. I'll see you guys next video. Bye bye.